how to change your Grammarly account password. So it's like really easy. All you need to do is simply get into your Grammarly application, and then from there make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after successfully making sure that you are logged into your account, now you can simply tap on your account icon right here, and then from there you will actually be able to see your profile, right? What you're going to do is simply tap on your profile, and then from there you'll be able to see manage account settings. Tap on manage account settings will actually get into this particular link where you'll be required to sign in again. So what you're going to do is simply sign into your account using your credentials. So after successfully verifying your account, here you'll be able to see this option where you can actually get the password option around here, right? But since I have linked my Google account with my Grammarly, there isn't a password particularly for my Grammarly account, because of course my password is going to be linked to my Google account. So but if you have created your account manually, then you'll definitely be able to see your password option. All you need to do is simply tap on the update button just like this. You'll be able to see, tap on the update button, then from there you'll be able to write in your current password, then add in the new password of your account, then rewrite the new password in order to confirm it, and just like that you'll successfully be able to change your password of your Grammarly account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.